नेशनल एजुकेशन डे के उपलक्ष्य में रामपुर रोड मोलाकड़ स्थित एडम एंड इव्स कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में ब्रास सिटी सहोदय के तत्वावधान में इंटर स्कूल इंग्लिश स्पीच कंपटीशन का भव्य आयोजन किया गया। कार्यक्रम में नगर के विभिन्न विद्यालयों के विद्यार्थियों ने भाग लेकर अपनी प्रभावशाली वक्तृत्व कला से सभी को प्रभावित किया। कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर आशीष संतराम, डायरेक्टर विल्सोनिया ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस ने विद्यार्थियों का उत्साहवर्धन किया। विद्यालय के निदेशक साद रहमान तथा प्रधानाचार्य नीलोफर जबी ने मुख्य अतिथि का स्वागत पुष्प गुच्छ भेंट कर किया। प्रतियोगिता का उद्देश्य विद्यार्थियों में सामाजिक जागरूकता, विचारशीलता, जिम्मेदारी और नेतृत्व क्षमता का विकास करना था। प्रतियोगिता में प्रतिभागियों ने 5 विषयों यूथ एज ग्लोबल चेंज मेकर्स, ह्यूमन राइट्स, inclusion and equity, major threats to marine life, the role of artificial intelligence in education तथा sustainable development goals पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत। विभिन्न श्रेणियों में विजेताओं ने उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन किया। यूथ एज ग्लोबल चेंज मेकर्स में प्रथम रिफा नाज दिल्ली पब्लिक ग्लोबल स्कूल, द्वितीय आर्ची जैन शिरडी साईं पब्लिक स्कूल तथा तृतीय उदिता गुलाटी आर्यंस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल रही। ह्यूमन राइट्स, इंक्लूजन एंड इक्विटी में प्रथम आयजा नूर दिल्ली पब्लिक ग्लोबल स्कूल, द्वितीय आफिया नूर एडम एंड इव्स स्कूल, तृतीय अदीबा खान इंडियन पब्लिक स्कूल रही। मेजर थ्रेट्स टू मरीन लाइफ में प्रथम वेदांत शर्मा शिरडी साईं पब्लिक स्कूल, द्वितीय अक्सा तलत तथा तृतीय खदीजा जुनेद शांशी एडम एंड इव्स स्कूल रही। द रोल ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इन एजुकेशन में प्रथम हमाद खान आर्यभट्ट इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, द्वितीय अवंतिका रस्तोगी SBS सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल और तृतीय सिद्धिदात्री राव SS चिल्ड्रन एकेडमी ने स्थान प्राप्त किया।
To speeches or competitions, it belongs to our lives, and the topic is global challenges, a shared responsibility. Look around you, the world is changing faster than ever. We have technology in our hands, knowledge at our fingertips. Yet somewhere, humanity is losing its balance. Our skies are darker, our oceans are polluted, our forests are silent, and our hearts, they are becoming colder. The truth is simple, but scary. The biggest challenges we face today are global climate change, poverty, pollution, war, inequality, diseases, etc.
Global change is a shared responsibility. Our world is changing rapidly, powerfully, and in a way that affects us all. From melting glaciers to raging forest fire, from unpredictable rain to record-breaking heat wave, the signs are all around us. These are not just the random events of nature. These are the warning, a reminder that a choice, our actions, and our lifestyle rewriting the story of Earth. The changes in our Earth have led to problems like global warming, melting glaciers, tsunami, flood, drought, all warning us that our planet is suffering.
I am Shafaheen, a student of class 6B, representing Adamadi's Convent School, standing in front of you all to ask you a simple question. When you think of a change maker, what comes to your mind? Do you picture a historical figure, a politician, or perhaps an other community leader or someone else? But the truth is that youth are not just the leaders of tomorrow. We are the change makers of today.
Time for his station by serving British shoulders. He proved that courage and patriotism knows no age and became the youngest freedom fighter in the world. And just like him, Malala Yousafzai stood up for girls' education in Pakistan, survived camps, and became the youngest Nobel Peace Prize laureate at just 70. Education is the only tool through which I can open opportunities for me. One of the great examples of these words is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Or dancing reels. Sometimes such media can give or spread information that was probably skipped by the mainstream media. And you step forward in many other cases like breaking social norms. Because come on, we need someone in our society to break the generational monotony. The norms created by our society have passed from generations to generations. But what we need to understand is that just like our clothes need cleaning time to time, our perspective and thinking also need a drive field. So in that, youth is helping us. How? By questioning their parents about such norms or starting a social act. Because we all know youth prioritize social life more.
मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर संतराम ने विद्यार्थियों की सराहना करते हुए कहा कि ऐसे आयोजन बच्चों में आत्मविश्वास और तार्किक सोच को प्रोत्साहित करते हैं। विद्यालय निदेशक साद रहमान ने विजेताओं और सभी प्रतिभागियों को शुभकामनाएं दी और कहा कि ऐसी प्रतियोगिताएं विद्यार्थियों के सर्वांगीण विकास का माध्यम है। प्रधानाचार्य नीलोफर जबी ने सभी सहभागी विद्यालयों, शिक्षकों और विद्यार्थियों का आभार व्यक्त किया। कार्यक्रम के अंत में विजेताओं को पुरस्कार और प्रशस्ति पत्र प्रदान किए गए। यह प्रतियोगिता रचनात्मकता, अभिव्यक्ति और शिक्षा के समन्वय का सुंदर उदाहरण बनकर सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न हुई।
Today in Adam and Eve's Convent School, Rampur Road, Dilari, we are having an inter-school English speech competition held under the aegis of Brass City, Sahodya, where more than 20 prestigious schools of Muradabad has participated. They have sent their students to actively participate in this inter-school English speech competition on various topics like global challenges, a shared responsibility, youth as young leaders. And the topics that we have taken for today is mostly related, as we know that youth are the leaders of tomorrow. And today, since it is the National Education Day, and we have taken this day particularly so that it highlights the importance of education to our young learners. And as we know that National Education Day is a special observance in India which is held annually to mark the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the country's first education minister. And today our chief guest was Dr. Ashish Santram, the director of Wilsonia Group of Educational Institutions. It was a blessing for us that he has given this precious time to our students and to be among us. Yes, based on the topics that the students have taken, we are going to give them certificates and medals, and apart from that we are giving them trophies for being first, second and third, and there are some other trophies also for the pinnacle speaker, the silver voice and the bronze.